music history.
Oh shit.
And Behind the Hits podcast gets Nirvana's story directly from the band and the people.
Oh, fuck!
Start recording emergency video.
Oh my god!
Buddy! Holy fuck.
Because they probably...
It's probably like a year lease.
Yeah, exactly.
What the fucking numpty. Turn left and then just fucking swing out in
I
front.
know, you've got to... If you've got...
Maybe two.
I don't know. And when the games are on Saturday at 4 o'clock, we have to be there for 1:30.
Oh my god. Sorry, hold on. The guy's always find my lane. Legit almost just got smushed into the friggin' guardrail, asshole.
Holy shit! Oh my god!
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
This fucking guy.
What do you mean?
I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Fuck out, man!
What are you doing?
Don't fucking do that ever again, you dumb fuck. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my fucking truck.
What'd you?
Ay, pasingitin mo na. Tingnan mo. Makasiksik eh. Wagas. Oo, papa.
Pre.
Hayaan mo na, papa.
Ay, wow!
Ay, wow! Bravo!
Every 16 is the seeds that I spit to watch grow. I can't breathe. Hot box. All I see is pot smoke. They don't see it like I got coke. I'm just lit. I don't need drugs, ho. This who I am, bitch.
Bro made him get out his video. Oh my God. I just caught that on video, Sean. Why?
You fucking joking, bro?
Don't go to your shit because it's gonna
And she gone, boo! Oh my God!
go.
Each time. Sent out a long hiss through his teeth. He stood up for a moment, tense and menacing, and then he collapsed, falling forward onto all fours and crawling up the bank of the pit. Serpents.
The two main venues, unless I'm forgetting one.
Yeah, and they would. That was the plugging, but there was also booming. So,
yeah,
like I said, you had Irving Berlin and like George Gershwin started out as a song plugger. Al Sherman started out as a song plugger. But if you wanted to be more aggressive than that, you would do something called booming, which is.
Oh, there he goes. What the fuck, cunt?
What did you do?
He went from behind me in front. Hello. He's not bad. Why are you flipping me off? You just fucking cut in front of me. Yeah. Don't, no, are you joking me? What a piece of shit. Don't. You never know who has a gun.
Hey! Hey!
Lovely strain, I alone have heard this.
Wait. Fuck hell.
What was that cunt doing?
What the fuck? Why, bro? Why you gotta do that?
Andy, what the hell? A bad driver never misses their exit.
Yeah.
Jesus